This iQOO 8 Pro might comes with a 6.62 inches of 2K plus resolution Super AMOLED 120Hz refresh rate display protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, and it also will be a curved display like the OnePlus 9 Pro, which is the top end flagship variant. And for the processor, it comes with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon Triplet Plus, which is a 3.3 GHz clock speed and octa-core 5G processor. And when we talk about the 5G bands, it might come with the 9 to 11 bands of 5G, so you don't need to worry about the 5G like the OnePlus 9 Pro with 2 bands. No, not like that. And this mobile will run on Android version 12 out of the box with the FunTouchOS latest version after that time. And this mobile will be available in two variants, 8GB RAM 128 and 12GB RAM 256. Both are UFS 3.1 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5 RAMs or 5X RAMs at that time. And this mobile comes with the cameras, which is huge monstrous cameras, 64 megapixels of main wide angle camera and 30 megapixels of ultra wide and 30 megapixels of telescopic zoom camera. And it also comes with a 64 megapixels of main camera with OIS, optical image stabilization. We can shoot up to 4K 60 fps also with this mobile's back camera. It comes with a 16 megapixels of front facing selfie camera, which can be used to shoot up to 4K 30 fps. Yes. And it also comes with a, so we need to compromise to get the 120 watts of fast charge in India. So that is the iQOO has compromised the battery size. It comes with a 4200 mAh of battery, which is smaller than the older generation iQOO 7 mobile, yeah, but it supports 120 watts of fast charge. So using the 120 watt, you can charge your mobile from 0 to 100 in just 20 or 25 minutes. And when we talk about the other features, like it comes with a in-display fingerprint scanner, and it also got the stereo speakers, and there are rumors like this mobile also comes with a 3.5mm jack also. And this mobile might comes with 8 triggers, so these are just rumors about the triggers. It also comes with a glass back, glass front and metal frame. And for the back, it also comes with the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection, like Victus means Corning Gorilla Glass 6. And when we talk about the pricing, this mobile might release at the price range of 45 to 50,000 rupees. So yeah, clearly it's taking up higher levels in pricing. iQOO 3 830, iQOO 7 840 and iQOO 8 will be released at 45 to 50,000 rupees. So drastic increase in price range as well as in the performance also. And soonly I'm going to make a video on iQOO 7 Monster Edition mobile, so stay tuned to watch that video by subscribing to the channel, and I will also leave my other videos in the description box below so you can check it out from there. By the way, this mobile will be released on September 2021. So when this mobile releases, I will make a dedicated video about this mobile. So until then, subscribe to the channel. And this iQOO 8 Pro also going to have, there are also rumors like this mobile also going to have IP68 water and dust resistant, and it also going to have a 25 watts of wireless charge certification. Is it for international variant or is it for the Indian variant? That is the unconfirmed thing until now. So we can expect the IP68 water and dust resistant and wireless charging in this mobile, but not sure about that. Yes. And yeah,